Hi everyone, welcome to a special Teaching Tuesday. My name is James Hutchison.
And I'm Adrienne D'Alessio.
And today we're on the 18th hole. We're going to play through it. Adrienne is going to be my very, very qualified caddy. She's going to talk me through the strategy and how to play this hole well, and hopefully you guys learn something too.
Yep. All right, so as your qualified caddy, I just wanted to know what your thought process is when you tee up the ball. Like, what are you aiming for? What's the end goal here?
So on this hole, there's that apartment building in the distance. That's what I like to aim at.
Okay.
And today, because it was kind of into the wind, so I'm thinking I just teed it a little bit lower so I don't get it too high up in the air.
For sure.
And I'm just going to try to rip it straight, I think.
Cool. Does your swing change
Sound good? Nope, same swing.
All right, cool.
Just going to swing it easy in the breeze.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Okay.
Good shot.
Okay, fairway. Thanks, Jim. Okay, so managed to hit the fairway here. Coach, what should I do from here?
So we've got about 124 from here, and you've got definitely some wind in your face.
Yeah.
So you're going to need to club up for that. You've got some elevation as well. It's not too much. You have a little bit of a false front. So 124 is your normal yardage. You kind of want to bump that up to, I'd say, about 130. And because the wind's left to right a little bit, start a little bit left and then have it just fall into the pin over there.
Okay, yeah, I think we're almost at a full club wind, so probably 135. You like that?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna play my 135 shot.
What club are you hitting?
I'm gonna just hit a really soft 9 because I don't want to step on a pitching wedge and get it up in the air.
Sure, that makes sense.
So 135 is probably a normal pitching wedge for me, but I feel like if I hit that full, it's going to spin extra, and then it's just going to hit the wind and come back. Okay, so I'm just going to hit like a 3/4 9 iron.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, let's do it. Keep it nice and low.
Okay, here we go.
Yep. Kick.
Little right, but should be good.
It's okay. It was struck well. Right idea. Perfect shot.
Yeah, I got the distance.
Yeah. Pin high. That's awesome. Good job.
All right, let's go make the putt.
Okay, so I'm seeing quite a lot of break here. There's a lot of back to front slope.
Yep.
Right in the front here, and we've got the wind going this way. So I was thinking about a foot out. What do you think? A foot right to left?
Yeah, I like that for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. See it, putt it, make it.
All right.
That's it.
So I just like to line that ball, the line up.
With the line that you're taking?
And then just try to get the right speed, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, good roll.
A little too much break.
That's okay. Finish that up. Beautiful. Easy par.
Easy par, easy game. Thanks, coach.
You're welcome.